like 10 centimeters. Okay. So again, when we're applying this, patient is kind of always conscious, so you can ask him to help you and hold the bandage like here. So, who will help me now? Yeah, just one finger, no problem. And we're going around the head.
Back again.
Going back again. Okay, thank you very much. That's it.
Thank you, patient.
Now I'll be doing some crossing here. And when you're crossing this, like that, okay, make sure that this cross is located down on the forehead, okay, not here. Like this.
Okay.
That's it. So now the main part starts here. One hand is continuing to do circles around the head, and the other is covering it like this. Understood? But the circle is always above the covering part. So I'm going like this. See? Covering whole head and circle around. Okay, I'm going back now, and make sure that this circles will immobilize the other part really well. Okay. Okay, I'm going back now, and make sure that this circles will immobilize the other part really well. Okay, because I need to go back now here, and now circle above.
Okay.
Going back, circle around. And just like that, you need to cover the whole head. Circle around. And now let's perform the last one. Yeah, just like that. Now, how to finish it? I'll cross it again, and I can go, like good cross, okay? And I'll go and tie it here. Just simply tie it, okay? Like that, and just like your shoes, you can tie it, okay? That's it. No, it's really well. You can check it. Okay, that's it. Understood?
Yes.
Do it once more.
Yeah.